So we've been seeing encounters breaking out across the valley where our forces have been trying to gun down the terrorists who were behind the civilian killings as well. In Poonch, unfortunately, we lost 5 army jawans. They were killed in action after terrorists opened fire at them in a village close to Dera Ki Gali in the border district of Poonch. They were rushed to the nearest medical facility where unfortunately they succumbed to their injuries. The anti-insurgency operation was launched following intel inputs about the presence of terrorists who had infiltrated from across the line of control days ago. Sources revealed that there was a ceasefire in place in the area since February this year, which has now clearly been violated due to the terror bid. The encounter between terrorists and security forces started in a forest area of Poonch. Sources close to India Today have said that at least 3 to 4 terrorists are believed to be hiding in the area, which is why even now the operation continues in the area. Punjab Chief Minister Channi has announced ex gratia of 50 lakh rupees and a government job to a member of the bereaved family.
पूरा देश अपने जांबाज वीरों को नमन करता है। तमाम आतंकवादी जो सेना ने घेर के रखे हैं और जो LOC से घुसपैठ करके जम्मू कश्मीर में घुसे हैं, सबको चुन चुन कर मौत के घाट उतारेंगे। सेना ने पूरे क्षेत्र को, पुंछ के अंदर हो या बांडीपुरा हो, अनंतनाग हो, पूरे क्षेत्र को कॉर्डन कर दिया है। तमाम आतंकवादियों को मौत के घाट उतारेंगे। सेना ने पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर को बचाने का काम किया है और पाकिस्तान की हर साजिश को हमारी सेना ने विफल किया है।
Take this across to Sunil Ji Bhatt. He's joining us live from Poonch, very close to the encounter site. Their operation is still underway, Sunil Ji. Get us details of what's really happening. Sources indicating to us that there are at least 3 to 4 terrorists who are currently hiding in the area.
Yes, Akshita, our sources are telling us that 3 to 5 terrorists are still holed up in the forest area, and behind me you can see that a large number of army vehicles are parked here. And we have been told by our sources is that that hundreds of army personnel have been brought here and they have been sent to the forest area because the operation is still on. 3 to 5 terrorists are in the jungle area and operation is on to neutralize them. But Akshita, yesterday this encounter began. Unfortunately, we lost 5 of our brave hearts in that encounter, including a JCO. Now the security forces have intensified the search operation in this entire forest area. You can see that it's a hilly area in terms of terrain. It's very difficult for the security forces. It's a very difficult operation for them, but they are on the job and they are trying their level best to neutralize the terrorists who are hiding in the forest area as soon as possible. But Akshita, the thing that comes to the light is that in the recent days, terror activities have increased in Jammu and Kashmir, whether it's the Kashmir Valley or Jammu region. In the Kashmir Valley, we saw that targeted killings of the members of the minority communities took place and terrorists carried out these gruesome killings. And here in Jammu region now, infiltration has taken place. A group of terrorists have infiltrated and now they are hiding in the forest area. The security forces are on the job. 3 to 5 terrorists are hiding in the jungle. And today, this morning, the security forces intensified the operation, the search operation. And here also you can see, Akshita, that in terms of terrain, it's very difficult. And this area is a very sensitive area.
Absolutely.
And on that side, you can see the snow-clad mountains. And on the other side of those mountains is the Kashmir Valley. So it remains to be seen that whether this group of terrorists was trying to, go to the Kashmir Valley. They may have infiltrated from the line of control here in Poonch district. And now they were planning to go towards the Kashmir Valley. But there was a specific input which security forces had, and acting on that specific input, a massive search operation was launched here yesterday. But unfortunately, we lost 5 of our brave hearts. But operation is still on, and the security forces are saying that they have intensified the search operation in this entire area. Akshita, back to you.